Hello everyone, this is my first tutorial video about Russian language. My English is not perfect, but I hope that this video could be helpful to someone who wants to study Russian. The first thing you should know is the Russian alphabet. 33 letters in it. It consists of vowels and consonants. Look at the table. Look at these letters. Probably you can find some letters which looks like English letters. Let's find them and let's underline it and study. So this is not A, this is R. What makes Russian easier in reading than English? That we don't have these diphthongs and several sounds. One letter has one sound. A. But some letters are tricky. It's not B, it's V. Make sound V, like victory. Because we already have sound B. It's here. A bit to renovate it. This is okay. Next is very easy. Letter K. The same thing for M. Makes sound M. This letter is also tricky. We decided to stick to here. N. It makes sound N, like nose. Nose. This one is easy. O. Makes sound on. This letter is also a bit tricky. It's not P, it's R. 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 Russian R. Everybody knows it. Like a river. But not river, but a river. River. R. This letter makes only sound S. S. Not cat, but S. Like a sister. Because we don't have this letter. We have this letter and this is enough for us for making sound S. And this is lost H. H. Like hamster. That's all. That's all letters which we can see in the English alphabet. How many we have? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I lost this one. Like, I don't know, like a tube. It sounds like U, but it's a bit softer. Ooh. Like music. Now it's time to read. Let's try to comp some words and try to read it. I have some words and I want to read it. The very basic word. M plus M plus A is mama. K plus O plus T, K, O, T, kot. Please try to read this word. The first letter makes sound M. This one makes sound E. So we have already met. Like a subway. And the last word for you, I want you to read it. And please write down in comment what is the English word for this. This is a long word, but you have this in English and I think in French also. In most European language, I think this word. So please read it and write down in comment the English version. So good luck.